The craft is over, the screen goes black. Alright, so the first thing you're gonna need is a gummy bear. Alright, so we're just gonna open up, get a gummy bear, hold on. No, Oliver, it's not a treat. Alright, now that we got our gummy bear, all we need to do is come up with a reason why we should worship him. Not something dumb, like beating Tartarus first attempt, or reality check through the skull without breaking a sweat. It needs to be something not dumb, but for the purpose of this video, we're gonna do that and make it something absolutely stupid. The reason we're gonna be worshiping him is because he has the high score on the Chrome Dinosaur game. Here is some real life footage of this absolute gamer. Look at him go. Alright, so the next step requires a little bit of work. You're gonna have to contact someone that knows a little bit about spreading the word of anything. Alright, once you contacted that person and they agree to help you out, you're gonna wanna spread the word on every social media platform you have. For me, I only have YouTube. Alright, now you should have people following your religion like it's nothing. This has been 50-Minute Crafts.
Along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, trying to